Hello everyone, my name is Eugene First. This is lesson number 1 or video number 1 for grade 10 mathematics for the new curriculum. This is my cell phone number in case you want to get in touch with me. In this video I am going to introduce topic number 2, which is set language and notation. If there is anything that you wanted to discuss in topic number 1, please take a picture of that and send it to me on WhatsApp so I can produce a video just for that. Okay, so this topic, the first competency says you are going to define sets by listing and describing, and also by using set builder notation. Sorry for that. So in this competency there are 3 things that you are going to learn: listing the elements of the set, describing the elements of a set, and also using the set builder notation. Alright, okay, so what are the important points when it comes to this objective or learning objective? So the first thing that you need to know is the definition of a set. A set is a collection of defined items listed in curly brackets. Alright, so when you see something like this, this is a set. Alright, so and these are the elements of the set. So A and B are the elements of set A. So this is set A. Set A has 3 elements: element A, element B, and element C. Just like an example of, let's say, 10C. Alright, 10C is a set, alright, because it has elements, and the elements are the learners. Alright, so 10C is a set and the elements are the learners. Alright, so now the items are either listed or described. Alright, so like in set A, they are listed, they are in a listed form. Alright, so the elements are either listed or they are described. For instance, set A here has, it says it's a set containing x in such a way that x is a natural number. So meaning that in this set there should only be natural numbers. Any other number out, but for you to qualify to be in that set, you must be a natural number. Now let us look at set B. Set B says is a set containing an ordered pair or ordered pairs in such a way that the ordered pair, or these 2 elements x and y, they are connected by this equation y is equal to mx plus c. Alright, let me just repeat that again. So set B is a set containing an ordered pairs, alright, in such a way that these 2 elements, they are connected by this equation y is equal to mx plus c. So this colon, you read it as such that, okay, so A is an element, it's a set containing x such that. So this semicolon, you read them as such that x is a natural number. Now let us look at set C. Set C contains x elements such that that x element, they are between, or those x elements, they are between positive A and positive B, inclusive because there's an equal sign under. So this one says A should be less than or equal to x, and this one says x must be less than or equal to B. Alright, so set C is a set containing x elements in such a way that those elements are between positive A and positive B. Now this set A is so easy to read. You simply say set A contains element A, B, C. Now when it comes to set builder notation, let me just color this with a different color. Maybe let's go this, and then we have this. I'm gonna make it red, and then I'll make this one green. Let me get the nice green that will be stand out. Okay, now if you look at this set A, this set A, the elements are described, alright, but in B these are written in set builder notation. Okay, set C, they are also written in set builder notation, but in set A, this set A, they are listed, so it's a listed form. So now in the exam or in the test, you are going to be given a universal set, and then some sets will be described, some will be listed, and some will be in a set builder notation. So the examiner can ask you to write that set either in a listed form or describing it, or in a set builder notation. Okay, so we're gonna do an example on this and see how, so you can see how it is done. All right, let us look at, before example number one, this one last point that says sets are represented by capital letters. So you cannot make these letters very small. They should be capital letters. Please do not make these letters small. Always make them capital letters. Okay. All right. Let us look at this example number one. So suppose A is a set containing these elements. So the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8, then 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now, your job is to write down the following sets. So this set B, this is described, that you must write down a set containing odd numbers only. And then set C, write down a set containing square numbers between 1 and 12. Also here, odd numbers between 1 and 12. Okay, and then set D, a set of cube numbers. So my friends, all these three sets, they are described. They are not in a listed form. They are not in a set builder notation. They are described. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to list them. So we say, set B says we want set of odd numbers between 1 and 12. So we know that the odd numbers are the numbers that cannot be divided by 2 fully. So it's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. So this is a set containing odd numbers, and this is now the listed form, and this is the described form. All right, so this set has elements described, but this one has elements listed. I hope that is making sense to you. Now set C, we want a set containing square numbers between 1 and 12. So we just put in 1 here because 1 is also a square number. All right, so again, so this is a listed form and this is a described form. And then set D, a set of cube numbers. Now if you look at this elements, there are no cube numbers here. Really now? I think there is one cube number, and that's 1. All right, so 1 is a cube number. Okay, if 8 was also here, then 8 will also be in this set of cube numbers. All right, I hope you have learned something, and if there's something that you don't understand, please do not hesitate to watch the video again or just contact me on my cell phone number. All right, so now what do we know? We know how to come from a described form to a listed form. All right, so tomorrow we are going to learn how to move from a listed form, or a described form, to a set builder notation. That is the job for tomorrow. Tomorrow means in our next video, né? All right, tomorrow means in our next video. All right, now there's this activity. I want you to do this quickly. All right, so this will be your homework. So once you're done with the homework, please take a picture and send your answer on WhatsApp so I can confirm whether your answers are right or wrong. Okay, so it says activity number 1, use set A. So you are going to use this set here. Okay, please use this set. And then set E, a set of multiples of 3. So this is described. Set F, a set of prime numbers. And then set G, a set of even numbers. Please, you are going to list them like what I did in example number 1. All right. Okay, so in our next video, we are going to talk about set builder notation. We are going to move from either a listed form or a described form to a set builder notation, because this question, I know it's going to come up in the exam, and you need to know how to do just that. Thank you for watching, and share the video, and leave, if there's any comment, you can comment in the comment box. And by the way, these are coming from this study guide, right? So it's Mathematics grade 10 to 11 study notes. All right, it's for the new curriculum. It is prepared by me. If you're interested, please let me know so I can provide you with one. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.